Little boy, are you asleep yet? No. Okay. Are you asleep now? Are you asleep? No. Okay. I can't sleep when you keep talking to me. Okay, I'll stop. Thank you. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little kitty. I thought I told you to stop. Oh, okay. I'll stop for real this time. I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'll wait for you to go to sleep. Okay? So I'll just stop talking and let you go to sleep, and then I'll come out and I'll scare you. Okay? Okay? Is that a deal? Okay? I'm just gonna stop talking, and you're gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna come out. Okay? Okay? Oh, that is it.